Creative Cactus Plant Box with Clay Design. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and creative gardening project, designing a beautiful plant box using a variety of cactus and adding a touch of personality with clay designs. Whether you're a beginner or a plant enthusiast, this is an easy, artistic way to bring nature and creativity together in your home or garden. Choosing your cactus. First, let's pick our cactus varieties. The beauty of cacti is that they come in so many shapes, colors, and sizes. I recommend mixing tall cacti like the Cereus with round types like the Golden Barrel, and adding small cluster types like Mammillaria for texture. When choosing, make sure to pick cacti with similar sunlight and watering needs so they thrive together. This mix will give your plant box depth, balance, and lots of visual interest. Preparing the plant box. Next, select a plant box with good drainage. This is super important for cactus health. If your box doesn't have holes, drill some or add a generous layer of pebbles at the bottom. Use a well-draining cactus soil mix to prevent root rot. I also like to slightly raise the soil in the center for a small mound. It makes your design look more dynamic and natural. Adding creative clay designs. Now for the fun part, decorating with clay. You can use air-dry clay or polymer clay to make little garden accessories. Try making miniature pots, animal figures, colorful pebbles, or even tiny signboards with plant names. Once your clay pieces are shaped, paint them in earthy tones or bright colors to match your theme. Arrange them around your cactus in a balanced way. Remember, less is more. You want to enhance the natural beauty of your plants, not overcrowd them. Final touches and care. Finish off your cactus box by adding a thin layer of decorative gravel or sand on the soil surface. It gives a polished look and helps keep moisture levels stable. Place your cactus box in a spot with plenty of indirect sunlight and water sparingly. Only when the soil is completely dry. And there you have it, a stunning cactus plant box with creative clay designs that's both low maintenance and eye-catching. If you enjoyed this idea, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening and creative plant projects. Thanks for watching and happy planting.